Hi guys and dolls, it's a very blustery summer's day, well night. We're back at the barn. I want to apologise for our lack of videos. We've been off living our lives and having exciting times and haven't done anything for ages. So Nor's Lee really, he's been busy doing his stuff. So we're going to finally get this Beetle shifted and get an MOT on it. So we've opened the barn doors all the way up. Got all this space now to turn it around. What else have we got to do? That's it, innit? Let's turn the Beetle around. So it's a video of turning the Beetle around. You're going to love it. Also, can I say thank you? We've now got 500 subscribers, I think. So it's 500 bored people out there. I'm just going to apologise for our content. We'll try and improve some stuff. Might do something exciting. We're not. So yeah, cheers guys. Stay tuned and watch us turn a Beetle around in a barn. I know, I'm excited. See you later. Just waiting for Lee to come back with the key, so we thought we'll hang with the lambs.
That one's got huge balls.
Do you reckon I can go in there and cuddle them?
Oh, it's an udder.
Quick, Lee. Are you scared of the lambs?
Oh.
Oh, God.
You scared all the lambs away.
They were like eating from my hand and everything. He's just going to try and start it. He's excited. Are you excited, Don?
Oh, I am. Ooh.
Go, go, go!
No. It started every time before, isn't it? What the hell?
Chokes them, isn't it? Broken. Yeah, fine.
Might put a jump back and get a bit more beans.
Oh yeah, go.
Beetle Pro.
Yeah, so they have automatic chokes on them, so just need a little bit of a tweak. Just push it with my finger.
Are you going to help direct him out?
Yeah, you stand right over there and then I'll backwards! Backwards! Yeah, that's it, brilliant. Yeah, you got it. Right, go straight.
Ooh, watch that corner.
No, you got it. Straight. Right down. You're out. Easy. There you got standard beam on it. It's got nice steering lock. Oh, shit's good.
Success.
Hey! Oh, mate, it looks good. Yeah, pass the MOT.
Check the rear indicators.
We check the brake lights. I think they work. Oh, I see you go, look there, it looks good. Alright, it's whips. Is it nice? So this one's got the 1600 single port engine, I think it's one.
It's single, yeah.
Sounds nice. Got the lights on. First time it's driven since,
Yeah.
I don't know, years and years. Alright. Now take the choke off.
sounds alright.
Is that better now?
Yeah, mate, there's look at it. Feels like it wants to go well.
Oh, that's seat.
It
Oh,
feels
lovely,
like
isn't
it wants to go, man. And the door shuts. I think that's on the outside of there.
That, just on the foot.
Looks well, isn't it? That looks well, doesn't it?
It's nice.
Oh, great, good. It's all set for you, ain't it? I'm about to stretch my leg like that, press the pedals. But no chance of it.
It works.
Yeah. It's like this, you know, railway, a bit slower.
That's better.
It's just sticking, isn't it?
Yup.
Too much.
Like, there's a way of adjusting. You kind of,
Yeah.
you see those three things there. You unscrew that, and that, and then,
Oh, yeah.
and then you turn it, and it's got like see when you press that, it jumps there. So you turn it once it's warmed up.
Do the screw back.
Well, no, because that's your accelerator cable. But this bit here, that's actually the valve. What's it called? The butterfly thing for your choke.
Okay, yeah.
So like. So once that's up like that, you see that going all the way up?
Yeah.
That's the valve open like that.
Yeah.
So the air and fuel mixture is better.
Yeah.
So you do that and you twiddle it around.
Which is...
It's annoying, but I did it on roses and I did it on mollies. It's a pain in the ass.
The
And
lights aren't working.
No.
yeah, it's good.
It feels like it wants to go well, Dave.
Sounds nice.
Can buy it.
I've got too many.
It's all right. Let's say we take it to Book Jam or something.
That's a good page. Sitting funny, isn't it?
Mine does that, but then
It's funny like that.
after mine's bounced about a little bit, it kind of levels itself out. So if you jack them up, they sit like right weird in the air, and you hit a few piles and they go back down to normal.
Yeah.
Right.
I get fine.
Yes. But then it's sitting a little bit of a dip down there.
Come on, mate.
I mean, you need to adjust it. I think you just pull out the fucking thing and turn it.
It's 2 inches.
Yeah.
There's no rear seat in it at the moment. I know, it's fucking slacking, isn't he? We got 501 now, we keep getting more and we haven't fucking done anything.
No.
Don't know what's
People
going
still
on.
watching our videos.
And they go, subscribe to that.
Or, what the fuck's he doing in that Land Rover?
Oh yeah, we do get hateful comments all the time. It's quite funny.
Put it in 4-wheel drive. Oh yeah, I didn't think of that. They're not the best things in the world. Everyone thinks they can move mountains. They fucking can't. Dragging that thing out. Oh, do you not put it in low range? And I've already... Yeah, it's only got like a central one, which is shit.
Yeah.
So it'll spin one front wheel, one back wheel.
Yeah.
And then everyone's like, oh, I should move that easy. The fucking handbrake was on, and it was stuck in, steering lock was on, and the tyres were all flat. Yeah. And it's going across all that shit surface.
But people don't listen, do they? They just watch and go, oh, what a fucking idiot.
Because they think Land Rover's amazing, and they think, oh, I should drag it out on air. No. But I ain't bitter about it. Still I'm getting old, can't you?
Yeah, we'll get fucking old, mate.
Whingeable, don't you? Right, so we've done the little test. Lee's driven it up the track. down the track, it stops, it starts, all the lights work. So hopefully in a couple of weeks' time it'll pass an MOT, and it's your guys' job to buy it off them really, because they're doing a project, and projects are fun. So yeah, you'll see it at a show. Can I take you to a show, Lee?
Yes, mate.
I'm going to take you to a show. Maybe book jam, who knows? It's better than my Beetle. And yeah, so if you want to look at it or whatever, feel free. And any suggestions for what we should do next, what Lee should do next, got any old tractors or anything in a barn that you want no money for, then we'll definitely have that. So yeah, cheers guys. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and keep watching YouTube for our regular 2 monthly update videos. See you later. Bye.